This is what we're gonna use again. Vamos a cocinar acá en la crock pot. We're gonna make pork. Vamos a hacer un chancho. Pork loin roast. Greek. So it has type of seasoning. Well, Greek seasoning, I guess. And that's it. We're gonna make it in a little bit of beer, un poco de cerveza. Gonna add some carrots, potatoes, and onion. Cebolla, papitas, zanahoria, y un poco de cerveza. Let's start by opening the beer, right? Merry Christmas. So, just gonna open this. I'm gonna try to get my videos fast. Voy a tratar de tener videos un poco más rápidos, listo. So many videos on 3 different channels. Tantos videos y 3 canales distintos que it's not that simple. But I'm working very hard. Estoy trabajando bastante duroski. So I'm just gonna add some beer. Not a lot, but at least to cover, enough to cover the bottom. Suficiente para cubrir abajo. And that's it. Because I'm gonna add directly now the potatoes, the carrots, and the other stuff. Because we're gonna have this on high, and since we're not gonna eat this now, I'm gonna have it for 4 hours. Lo voy a poner por 4 horas porque no va a ser esta parte de mi almuerzo. It's too late for that, so I'm gonna have to think of something else now for lunch. Puede que sea por otra cosa para el almuerzo. So those are 4 medium potatoes, about like the size of an apple, probably smaller than that. 4 papas. Could be 3 big potatoes, okay? 3 papas grandes. Now, I'm also gonna have 3 carrots, 3 zanahorias, and 1 full onion. Y una cebolla completa. White onion, cebolla blanca. Ya, vamos a echar lo último. Las cebollas. I didn't care about the order. We're gonna check it in the middle probably, so vamos a revisar a la mitad del tiempo. Para ver cómo va todo. That's all I said I was gonna add. There we go. So it's been almost 3 hours. And we're gonna see how it's looking so far. Let me use this. There's still a bunch of liquid there. So old beer. Still there. Oh yeah. Yeah, looking pretty good. I feel like I could actually leave it like this, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this. I'll show you later when I try it. Les voy a mostrar después, más tarde, cuando lo pruebe. While I make this mashed potato, mientras preparo este puré, I'm gonna slice the pork. Voy a cortar el cerdo from yesterday. For that, we have to find it first, right? Tenemos que encontrarlo primero. So it's somewhere here. Yeah, I don't have a bigger pot. No tengo una olla más grande, so there we go. Just 1 piece here. There we go. Another piece here. Turned out pretty good. This, by the way, yeah. It looks like fish, but it's not. Funny looking seasoning, like a Greek seasoning it was called. Parece que fuera pescado, pero it even looks like salmon or something like that. Puede tener un color similar al salmón. I mean, just cutting it to make it smaller pieces, but it's so small, soft, to be honest. And this was, see, I don't even need to, it's almost pulled pork. So this was in there for 3 hours, I think. You can also eat it cold, right? Se puede comer frío también. Just gonna salt it a little bit though. Yeah, that was the one thing that was lacking, was salt. So I'm gonna eat this with mashed potatoes. But this is gonna make a good stew with the pork. Esto de acá va a ser un muy buen estofado. So we just put it back in there. Huh? That's what she said. So this goes back to the fridge. Esto va de vuelta al refri. the lunch is gonna be here. We're just gonna add this in there. Lunch and probably dinner. But it was to show you how it turned out. Quiero mostrarles cómo terminó, cómo salió la comida. Yeah, I'm liking that machine a lot. Me gusta un montón la maquinita esa, la Crock Pot. See you later. Nos vemos, amigos. Chau.